Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can get a ton more orders to your e-commerce store. I'm going to show you exactly how you can offer your visitors more ways so they can order from your e-commerce store, as well as making it location specific. So first off, you need to make it absolutely 100% clear all the different ways in which a customer can place an order on your site, including, of course, the by phone, by email, and even by fax options. If it's appropriate to your market, nothing is too obsolete or inappropriate when it comes to establish that connection with your user. Present your user all the available contact points. Some customers, for example, prefer to order in a certain way, so clearly stating these options will help you increase your conversion rates. It is also important to localize your site to specific countries. Now, this is especially applicable if you ship internationally, of course. So, for example, if you are in the US selling internationally, a good number of visitors and, of course, conversions on your website might be coming from countries outside of your own. If these people know that it's going to be an international shipment, they will need certain reassurance from you that you can ship to their countries in a timely manner and for reasonable fees. So how do you go about reassuring visitors from other countries so that you can deliver it the right way? Simple. There are two ways that you can do it, that you can implement. First, you can enable functionalities that can identify a user's country from their IP address and show a notification in the top headbar of the site, like, yes, we ship to Canada, for example, and this can give your visitors a lot of confidence when they order from a site which is outside of their own country. While you're doing this, remember, see if you can change the currency of the entire site to the currency of the user country, of course, if you ship to this specific country. And try make this the default process they see without having to go through any of the other options. This advanced level of localization can be achieved by putting coding resources at the beginning. For this, of course, you will need to go back to your developer or webmaster. If you don't have this kind of resource, you can always find skillful developers on Upwork, Mechanical Turk, and even Fiverr. Just post a job and let potential developers know that you want to change the currency of your site based on where the user is from. Just browse through those websites. You can even find amazing talent on Fiverr, contrary to what people think. Okay, so location is a really big deal to online buyers, and it's the second option. Let's say your ecom website is based on the US, your shop.com, okay, your name shop.com, but you also have domain specific shops such as your shop.co.uk for the UK market and your shop.fr for the France, okay, French market. If a user comes from France to the .com site, they should see a pop-up that tells them where they are and if they would like to visit the French specific website. Never auto-redirect them to their country specific site assuming they are stupid. Instead, always give them the choice.